today we're going to be presenting present perfect tense. But before we start the presentation, I think it's a really good thing for us to introduce our own self. So starting right here, what's your name?
My name is Adam.
I'm Anindya Lutfia, and this is my friend
Bunga. My name is Bunga.
Present perfect is a grammatical combination of perfect tense and a perfect aspect that is used to express a passive event that has a present consequence.
I will explain about function the present perfect tense. Okay, the present perfect tense is used to indicate a link between the present and the past, and the time of the action is before but not specific, and we are often more interested in the result than the action itself.
So these are the patterns we're using for present perfect tense. We do have for the positive and the negative, and this one is the interrogative. We're going to start with this. I'm going to give you an example to use this. So present perfect tense for the positive, you have to use subject, which means he, she, or it, and then you can use have because this is present. And then for present perfect tense, this is to explain the things that happened in the past. So you're going to have to put the verb 3 after have. This is the form. You cannot use this for, or change this one into verb 2 or 1. You cannot. So you have to use verb 3 for this tense. And then the last, you have to put adverb. For the negative, you have to put subject and then have plus not because it's the negative. And then verb 3 again, it's a must to use verb 3. This is the form. You cannot use this with any other kind of verbs. And then you add adverb at the end of the sentence too. For the interrogative, you have to use have. You put the subject after have and then verb 3 after plus adverb. Now I'm going to give you the real example for this one. So, for example, I have verb 3 grown so fast. Sorry, I'm gonna do this one. I have grown up so fast since the last 3 months. For present perfect tense, you can use since the last 3 months. This means that it's not finished yet. The 3 months is not finished yet. I mean, this subject I is still growing up. So you have to use since the last 3 months. It means that you're still growing up. It's not stopping. And then for the negative one, this one is the positive. And then for the negative one, you have I have not the verb 3 grown up so fast since the last 3 months. This is different for the positive. You don't have to put not, but then for the negative, you have to put not. For the interrogative, this might be a little bit tricky for you sometimes because it's hard to differentiate for some people. So this have or has or has or has. So it really depends on the subjects. If it he, she, or it, you have to use has. But then if the subject is I, you, we, they, then you have to use have. So for the interrogative, I might be using has. So has she arrived yet? So this is the interrogative. Because the subject is she, as what I've said before, he, she, it, you use has. I, you, we, they, you use have. So for the interrogative, because the subject is she, you have to put has in the front. So has she arrived yet? So that's all from me. Thank you.